Inti na wo say we asoroba o kwa sorry. But India ni bebie na sorry ni store no Sunday na wo hia bibia no arashi kowakoto. Palace was open. Malcolm was open. Palace Lebanese, Malcolm Indians. Now you envy them. I keep saying that religion is impeding progress in this country. We must fix it. Obia, including myself, we should fix our attitude and mentality. This is what I saw. Nam share that count to Nina Nam Wusumiti. Why am I catching boys? Why Indians will make money in this country? Because Sunday sales in your enam seven in Amatumuntino. Nina Becono. May be quite sorry and having. But apportion your time for everything you do. It's poor managers. Poor managers are Ghanaian companies, your work. I'm sorry to tell you the truth. Say be a juma now the share Unya Ghana Nisa. Now I make juma no kofo. Would be a juma now kofa who will be the be manager na juma ne kosoro.
Oh shisha ubeho. I know you want juma ye Prophet Dr. Benigo Invisible Teaching Hospital.
For your spiritual healing, please come to Nsawamu Ureku Liberty House, where the hospital is located, or Kingdom of God Ministry International or Twase. For further information, please contact the following numbers:
020-859-9576.
Honorable Ken Agyapong 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 granted interview bi ewo asempa na ensema wo de tu dwa no eno na magana fu ibi mu eyam ahwe wo bi so anya de pa ni na ene se nipa na wo interview host no ebisa Ken se kamia se otu ani de hwe wo man Ghana mu a companies akese wo Ghana ha nyina no foreigners ene own companies no bo Melcom din bo MTN din bo mawako di companies akese ni nyina no foreigners ena aba o memra mabeje company no ena wo mo ye na adenti na Ghana fo na o timamufo no yentimi own big companies na ase amanfrafo na abeje a wo mo ye eno ena honorable Ken Agyapong echiremu na wo kire se ono ankasa na bibidua na wo kope bibi ato de aba be adwuma wo ni fie na ye kwasieda otisi montin se wo kwa akopa de kode na to akwasieda 12:30 se ga kwa asori po anu apon na Ghana for shops ni nyina apon bibi konya bi no foreign shop we kire se Ghana for ne de nyame som no akekere ye ho enti no kwasieda dru na be kwa akoye adwuma no na ya tutum na foreigners na ye ka so mo beje adwuma na ye no wo mo na ebe adwuma na wo mo ye enti yemisa ye ho se we Ghana ni foreigner ni no hwan na obeye adwuma na hwan no benye sika sei na ensem no ekoye ewo asempa.
The Melcoms and all those, they are not Ghanaian owned. What's the problem?
Mania, well, this is a very good question. Now about Melcom. Before say, may answer where you know. Mami share my experience with you.
Okay.
Sunday every now 2 weeks I will come and say. I'm a call me young could be by wedding. The idea change because see Adam. I'm saying to Tony maybe for me fee to be.
Okay.
12:30.
12:30 p.m.
Yes.
8 a.m. That's okay.
12:30 p.m.
Okay. Okay.
Sunday. A free Georgia runabout. Eko Bekwai runabout. Apart from Omo Etomutu, shop beer was closed.
Now Omatum.
Namkodu.
Sempa FM.
Eko Bekwai runabout. Malcolm ewo left and a Palace ewo right.
Ewo right, yeah. New ones be on my bio. I've seen it.
Palace was open. Malcolm was open. Ghana 4 shops including NS Chemist was closed.
No money natum.
Yes.
Sunday.
Yes. I didn't think I would say we are asoroba. Oh, quite sorry. But India ni bebie na sorry ni store no Sunday. Now here bibi anu arashi kowakoto. Palace was open. Malcolm was open. Palace Lebanese, Malcolm Indians. Now you envy them. I keep saying that religion is impeding progress in this country. We must fix it. Obia, including myself, we should fix our attitude and mentality. This is what I saw. Nam share that count two ni na nam wusu miti. Why am I catch boys why Indians will make money in this country? Because Sunday sales in ya enam sebu nyina amatu muntino.
Ni nyina be kono.
Ni nyina be kono. Eko Lebanese and Indians. Enti omo di omo bi a shop no mo tono. Asasi ebutu Yankopon akesi wo mo. Is that what you want to tell me? I'm not saying that don't go to church. Now me say oh Bianca after 12 there ombe. All the shops were closed except Malcolm and Palace.
And you had no option than to go there.
Yeah. What you say? And we are one. Your attitude towards work.
Okay.
Your perception with religion. May be quite sorry and having. But apportion your time for everything you do. So are you telling me, sir? Ghana for now. Meanwhile, omo poya suno mo kodi TZ. E wo Kumasi. Enti nipa no a ekom de wo a kodi di na wano aduane no o ebronsam na bronsam aduane yedi. I'm drawing your attention to certain things. Why Ghanaians don't seem to be succeeding? Another problem we have is poor managers. Poor managers are Ghanaian companies, you know. I'm sorry to tell you the truth. Say ubi adwuma now the share unua Ghana nisa. Now wama adwuma no kofom. Ubi adwuma na kofa ho bia de be manager na adwuma no kosoro. Now we can't be
no, is it scientific? AC. Have you been able to?
Can you science you?
No. Me say a widespread idea. Ebia one company be no experiences and
one company be you know experience. Ghana 4 companies. All the companies that are succeeding in manufacturing sector, retail near you Chinese, Lebanese, Indians, British, whatever. Obia yajuma ye or Ghana. Because omo management is so urawa. Niami ya we are see adebia make come 170 say in our own country, because of our poor mentality, bad attitude, we are always seen as underdogs because ye lebre guma. Yenya ye kurom kurano ye lebre guma. I hope one to take you over the juicy positions. I'm talking of the private sector, not a binary. The private sector, no, I almost succeeding in so ko palace, how they are. A man, cashiers no more boy in Ghana for. Who wants a Lebanese back what long stew be so? Not
supervisors, no.
Yes. Sikani a yapa, no mabefa, no makushu. Ura al numua ubonse omu jirejina mu ada wan hu se Lebanese ni ana India ni jira ho ubi se anu aga ni akọ na ho no instead of walking the client to the place eko yama enkomodi diem kura ni di oto ba ko obetumi ato
two
esu Ghana ni be ga na ho no me ba boy no kura kokon toko palace onim ga nti ofre na ada no mu yinati. So poor managers that we have in this country. Uko me call ceramic ibi omo tiles beautiful elpo. Somewhat. Omo say generally say iron rods.
Okay.
The coin. Ghana for and the word jano ho.
Ekusi saying on Asempa FM.
Ghana for and the what baby a uton tiles showroom. Uko officer ye tue sika. Uko officer ya manager Chinese phone. Have you asked yourself why? Why? Chinese phone. Do you have to blame him? Because wakobo bisia wonu krom and wadi buy investment or it's a risk. And for him to get his money's worth and make profit, he brings his own trusted people. Musi and fix it. Let's fix our minds first.
Busia honorable den semi etu wiye na Ghana for say honorable ye nim ne deda e mebi dua ye hu ntokwa wone asofo ekun no krom ha ma enam so be sori bebre na e ka dem asofo bebre na empena sem na afri sade na wo ye no eti se wo ba be pre Ghana man panin wo ba se oni asofo be hwea bom ana wo ba no ba be sori e de etia asori no se ne wo keka ne nsem ni de ka me se honorable ba won prima en sori aye kone de bia no ebe koso e wo man mu ebi kire se an ebra so se ebenya leader bi obe safi se asa Ghana ha no ye time nyina kwakoye mpaibo e wo se nipa no kwatena adwuma no ye adwuma krampo na working hours no na what the sorry them to any idea about ebanesa more productivity ma adwuma enkoso it is enyo bi te say honorable kana compare kun Agyapong na wo ba bekun de tia sa ade na ene Ghana for emmonsem ma ne bi so kire se da bi o man Ghana no se po nyame som no yentimi nyina kwa it is enyo man pani bi na se wo ba be sorry de tia Christopher de ene yenhwe ne yi renum no ensem wa Ghana for kira me de aba be som mo too much gh and when you go to a worship, let's subscribe button. So now the bell no aka home. So no upload need to more. When the first person here wants every kind academy all the social media handles. So koha. Too much gh. Oh follow you and subscribe like and share. Now we have been so any be that good. And I'm just so macro.